In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply filters in Microsoft Teams. Open Microsoft Teams. Once Teams is on screen, go to the left sidebar and click Chat. This opens your chat list where you can see your recent conversations. At the top of the chat list, click the Unread filter. As soon as you select it, Teams narrows the list so you only see conversations that still have unread messages. All the chats that do not have anything new are hidden from view, so the list becomes much shorter and easier to focus on. Next, click the Channels filter at the top. This changes the results again and narrows what you are looking at. If you want to turn that filter off, click Channels one more time. That removes it from the active filters. Now click Unread again to deselect it. Once you do that, Teams returns you to the full conversation list with all of your chats visible again. You can combine these filters when needed. The available options here include Unread, Chats, Channels, and Meeting Chats. You can turn them on and off depending on what you want to see in the chat area. Now move to the Activity section. In the left sidebar, click the Activity icon, the one that looks like a bell. This opens your activity feed. The activity feed shows your recent notifications in one place. This includes mentions, replies, reactions, and other updates connected to your team's activity. In the Filter section, select @Mentions. This limits the feed so you are only looking at items where someone mentioned you directly. After that, click Unread at the top. This narrows the feed even more, so only unread mention items remain on screen. When you are done, click the Unread button again to deselect it. That removes the unread-only view. Next, go to the search bar at the top center of Microsoft Teams and click inside it. You are going to run a search and then apply filters to the results. Type your search term, then press Enter. Give the entry enough time to appear naturally as you type it into the search field. Once you press Enter, Teams opens the search results page. On the results screen, click the Messages tab. This makes sure you are viewing message results specifically. Now click Type. A filter menu opens. Select Channels. This limits the results so you only see matching messages from channels. After that, click From. This filter lets you narrow the results by person. Select the person you want to filter by from the available list. Then click Date. This opens the Date filter so you can narrow the results based on when the messages were sent. Choose the date option you need from that filter. When you want to remove the filters you applied, go to the right side and click Clear All. That resets the search filters and removes the current filtered view. At this point, you have applied filters in Chat, in Activity, and in Search inside Microsoft Teams. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That is the full process for using filters in Microsoft Teams to narrow chats, notifications, and message search results.